Welcome to Enlist Me. In this video I will discuss change in constitution of a private limited or public limited company. According to CPWD enlistment rules, change in constitution means change in directors. The constitution of unlisted entity can be changed, except those who are got license under unemployed category and new entity formed after merger or dissociation are not eligible to change constitution in first 5 years. For change in constitution, prior approval is required from CPWD. Don't change constitution without permission from CPWD. If constitution changed without approval from the CPWD, then contractor may be debarred, suspended, removed from the enlisted list, demoted to lower class. In case of retirement, resignation, death of director, prior approval not required from CPWD. Separate video is available for this topic. Step-by-step process for constitution change is given below. After registering for change of directors from MCA website, request for the prior approval shall be submitted on online CEMS portal within 3 months by filling the following Annexure 6 Part A and Part B in online. This is the document required for prior approval along with the intended modifications, copy of proposed memorandum and articles of association duly signed. CPWD will verify application and give initial approval for constitution change. After getting initial approval, change the constitution, apply for final approval from CPWD in online CEMS portal within 5 months of initial approval. These are the documents required for final approval: copy of registered memorandum and article of association, acknowledgement from bank, income tax, GST for having noted the change. CPWD will verify application, documents genuineness, and if any clarifications required, CPWD will send query letter. If any query received, reply need to submit in online CEMS portal within 15 days, otherwise the application will be rejected. If everything is okay, CPWD will issue final approval for change in constitution. Please like and subscribe for more updates.